So why is it that this desiccant may actually be better than using this desiccant in your AMS and 3D printing setup? I made a video the other day about the desiccant bags that are inside the AMS and how a lot of people weren't aware that, first off, A, they didn't exist, or B, you actually had to open them. Of course, I got a ton of flack about it saying, oh, of course I knew that. I read the freaking manual. Yeah, I knew that, hence why I made the video. But believe it or not, there are a ton of people out there that didn't know that. Go figure. But I've never been a firm believer that PLA has to be dried. And that's pretty much what I use. I use a lot of nylon, but I use a lot more PLA. And nylon has to be dried, PLA does not. But you know what? I use the desiccant bags in both of my AMSs. In fact, I ordered a bunch from Bamboo the other day, which I know you can buy them from Amazon, but I bought them from Bamboo. And what I don't like is that they're sealed packages. So you never really know, is this desiccant bag dead or good? So you always have to rely on the sensor, which is right there. Is it good? Is it bad? Who knows? But I decided, like some other folks, to just say, to hell with it and buy it in bulk. So you buy this is, I think, a pound, it's 1 quart, 2 pounds of desiccant. And instead of using the bags in the AMS, I'm going to use these little trays. I haven't transferred these over yet, but what I did start doing is using these as spool weights. So you fill this up with beads, desiccant beads, and you put it in the AMS. And if you see, I've got them in here. Now, what I'm curious to see, now I only have 2 AMS bags in here and 1 spool with the desiccant in it. This one has the 2 desiccant bags because they're brand new and 4 spools of desiccant. What I'm curious to see in a couple of days, will this one be drier than this AMS? I don't think it's going to make much of a difference, although right now it seems to have made some sort of a difference. About 24 hours in, you can't really see it, but this is about 1 bar shy, and this is about 2 bars shy from the top. So we shall see. But the thing is, this will also double as a nice weight for those cardboard spools, because we all know when they get low, what happens? They start skipping, they start bouncing, they start jamming up. So seems to be working so far, but I'll check back in a couple of days and let you know how it all works out, especially when I decide to use these little trays. So now, why are these better than these? Well, for one, these are rechargeable. You stick them in a microwave or in an oven and heat them up, and they'll turn from dark green to orange, meaning they're ready to go, just like these are already in the container. You can buy them in bulk, 2 pounds for, I think I paid $17, opposed to, forget what I paid for these on Amazon, on Bamboo Lab, but they're probably relatively cheap as well. But these, you buy them once, you never have to buy them again. And, well, I can use them in different ways, right? I can use them in the AMS. I can use them in the spools of the AMS. I can put them in the printer. I can put them in all different things, in a dry box. So I think this is the way to go. But we'll see in a couple of days, see if this changes anything on these sensors.